National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newton County in east central Mississippi until 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Wow.
At 2:37 p.m. Central
Storm
Standard
reports.
Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lawrence or near Newton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles
Nothing.
per hour wind gusts.
See, it's from
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm
rip
will be
current
near
statement.
Decatur and Stratton around 2:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Little Rock around 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. Duffy around 3:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Chunky and Hickory. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for east central Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county, Newton, Mississippi.
Another EAS. Oh, it's an update. Oh, it's another EAS, yeah. Double header. I'm probably already almost at 60, guys. Thanks for getting me here. Or helping. And thank the weather for cooperating, too. I pray for these people there.
The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern George County and southeastern Mississippi, Wayne County and southeastern
Wow, I never knew
Mississippi,
this
Greene
served
County
counties and mobiles. Let's say.
County in southeastern Mississippi until 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Uppatu near Brooklyn to 7 miles southeast.
I thought it was Jackson.
Moving northeast at 60 miles per hour.
Wow.
70 miles per hour wind.
70 miles an hour.
Source, radar indicated.
I pray for these people.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Waynesboro, Richton, Beaumont, New Augusta, State Line, MCLAIM, Buckatana, and Clara. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado going once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure, a tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Mississippi.
Kansas,
A tornado watch also remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m.
Dang. Oh, there we
for the following counties in Mississippi: Greene, Perry.
Another one. Let's tune in that one. Florida, yes, here we are.
Knots with higher gusts, while the San Cias building to 5 to 7 feet. Bay and coastal waterways becoming choppy to rough. A small craft advisory means that wind speeds or frequent gusts of 20 to 33 knots and energies of 7 feet or higher are expected to produce hazardous
What's the
wind
EAS?
conditions to small craft. Inexperienced mariners, especially those operating smaller vessels, should avoid navigating in these conditions. Winds, salty.
Here we are. Here we go. I'm probably almost to 60. Oh, there's a whole lot of weather. Active weather. Kansas, wow. Okay.
The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for waters from Destin to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing winds to nearly 50 knots and large hail. This storm was located 38 nautical miles south of Oriskany Reef, or 56 nautical miles south of Pensacola Beach, moving northeast at 20 knots. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. As this thunderstorm moves over the water, boaters can expect gusty winds and high waves. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.